Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here, and I've just got a different knife for you to see today. This one is actually available to buy. I've had a bit of downtime whilst waiting for other materials to arrive to finish off some of my custom work, so I put it to good use and made this one. So what we've got here is a D2 tool steel blade, 3.2mm thick bar stock. It's got a flat grind on it and acid etch on the finish. We've got a nice bit of a C-tek material on the bolster here, green liners, G10 black handle with aluminium pins and a stainless steel lanyard tube. All of this, I put it together with a nice leather sheath, which I can show you here. So there's a sheath, again made by me, all hand stitched from a nice quality thick leather, and again that is formed to fit into there. Nice snug fit. Again, this sheath is for a right-handed user, but again, if someone wants to buy this same knife but is left-handed, I'll happily make a left-handed sheath instead. That's no problem. And again, the most important thing with all knives is just how sharp is it. Well, let's have a look. So if a cool black sharp knife with green liners is what you're after, drop me a message. Thanks for looking.